like much when you're zoomed out, right? It's real far.
You need to get over that way, babe. That's where the other line is. 19,
No, but I think I was off on that last one.
14, 16.
See, I'm trying to stay between the channel markers.
I know that, but you gotta watch this too.
That's why I think I need to come more this way.
But the line is way over there.
I think I was in the wrong spot last time. Remember? But I think I was actually out of the channel doing that.
Yeah, but nobody's
And
here
now
now.
I'm back over here. I'm back in the water.
So this says 24, 19, 17, 12, 06.
Yeah. Oh,
So back off, babe.
damn it!
In July 2020, we decided to sell our home and chase our dream of living on a boat. We drove the four corners of Florida looking for a boat and found a lot of adventures in between. Join us as we chase our dreams and leave everything else behind. Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Danielle.
And welcome to another exciting episode with Naughty D's.
I have no idea what to do with this without doing this, and then I'm not looking out there. I guess I'm just trying to remember 2 feet more than that. I get this thing in the center and hope nobody comes along and forces me to have to go off to the side.
I'll just call this out for you. 4, 3, 8, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5. You need to get over that way, babe. That's where the other line is. 19,
No, but I think I was off on that last one.
14,
Look,
16.
see, I'm trying to stay between the channel markers.
I know that, but you gotta watch this too.
That's why I think I need to come more this way.
But the line is way over there.
I think I was in the wrong spot last time. Remember? I was way over here getting flipped off.
Okay.
Did you want me to just stay so far from those rocks? And I was trying to stay far from it too, but I think I was actually out of the channel doing that.
Yeah, but nobody's
See,
here
now
now.
I'm back over here. I'm back in the deep water.
So this says 24, 19, 17, 12, 06.
Back. Oh,
So back off, babe.
damn it!
I kept saying it was going down to go over there.
I'm not. I know, but I'm trying to.
Coast. Even though that line is actually.
We're more shallow now than we were over there.
Can we try to get over there?
I don't think we're going in. I think we're stuck. We're at 1 foot.
Okay, guys. So we had the genius idea to go out early this morning to dump our. Just gonna go 3 miles out. A real quick run to go dump our pooper because our marina does not have pump out, and we're about an hour before low tide. But the channel right out of our canal is very hairy, And yeah, so we are sitting waiting on the tide to come in. I'm going to show you what our Garmin is showing. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, our props are actually sitting in the mud right now. So I'm just afraid that once the tide starts coming back in, it's going to push us more shallow and further away from the channel. So we decided to go ahead and throw out an anchor out on the back to secure us where we are. So we actually happen to have a spare anchor, and he's getting it ready now.
So I got these. I'm using two because I don't want to risk one of them breaking. I know they're the wrong ones, but these are going to just have to work for now.
Emergency situations.
And I've learned one
measures.
I've learned one knot so far, which is a bow line knot. I'm going to try that one. It sounds like it feels like it's the best one for me to use compared to the fact that I don't know any other knots really. So if I can remember how I did it, I think it goes like this. So here, what did I say? So like this, right? Remember I said do this. And, oh yeah, leave this.
Finger out.
Leave finger out. 3 fingers. Come on, I can do this. I did this. Settle down, Dave. Relax.
Can you pause so you can practice?
No, I don't care. It's alright. I'll figure this out.
Get your hat.
Yeah,
Hoodie. Put your hoodie on. It's raining.
Alright, so what did I say? Wrap it around. What? Let's see. On another note, my alarms just started going off. Apparently the tide's already coming in a little bit, even though it's barely an hour since low tide. So we've already come up about a half a foot, which means Danielle's fear of us getting pushed further out is very real. So I gotta get this anchor tied.
We spent the next hour or so filming ourselves doing odd things like cutting line and making lunch. When I checked our depth, we were still in under a foot of water, but now more than double the distance from where we stopped. Our anchor was dragging. Soon, we'd be too far into the shallows to be towed. It was time to panic, and I had to think fast. I tied an additional 20 feet on the line, and I was now going to heave that anchor like a grappling hook and drag us back to our channel.
All right, this is what we've been doing for over an hour. All right, I got your rope.
Look, baby.
Yep.
All right,
we're almost in the channel.
Go check that depth. It has to be deeper now. I mean, we're halfway in it now. If it's still good, we're going to be depth. We got to be 1 foot.
5'8" and 3'6".
Alright, go down, cut off that generator for me.
All right.
Just on the switch, oh, you remember that little black one at the bottom, just turn it off.
All right. So he's been throwing that anchor out, pulling us over to the channel for over an hour. Look at this mess. And I've been using the
My knots are about to give out. We're really at about the end of our
stick here on the swim platform, kind of pushing us a couple inches at a time. This was our gym workout today. And guess what? We're in the channel.
Hold us.
We need to get the ass end around.
I need to do what?
We need to get the ass end around.
Let me go back here. I forgot I'm tied off there.
It was around you. It was about to pull you in.
I know.
Getting back to the marina and docking this thing safely took priority over filming, so we didn't have any more footage of our second maiden voyage. But just like the last time, it was a day full of lessons and good old-fashioned luck. The following day, it was the time to uncover all the damage. Dockside divers came out free of charge to help me ease my mind. Unfortunately, after all the inspections were complete, the total damages included both brand new props, both rudders, and potentially more. No matter what the damage, this boat needs to be hauled out for repair and further inspections.
Now begins the cleanup from our maiden voyage number 2. Actually, I already sprayed off all the mud, and then I thought probably should share the cleanup with you guys. So here we go.
Got a good look at the damage of the anchor and the damage the anchor did to the boat on our last attempt at a successful maiden voyage, which once again was unsuccessful. So now I'm gonna go down there and clean that anchor.
forget to click that little bell so you get notified of every new episode.
And don't forget to follow us at Naughty D's on Instagram for all of our current updates.
Become a patron on Patreon to see exclusive content.
On next week's episode,
Go ahead.
I'm interviewing? No, you're getting over here and talking with me.
Oh, I got through the allergies.
We're taking our sick boat today
Hold
to
on.
the doctor.
We're gonna limp this thing with one propeller, one good rudder.
We are determined to no longer be a Run Aground channel.
Yeah, no more of that.
No more Run Aground game.
And we're gonna get there safe, and we're gonna have a successful three-legged race today. These are some pretty heavy duty underwater lights that I can't afford to replace. More economical underwater lights to replace these.
All that and more coming up next week on Naughty D's.